Yo, alright, let's talk about today. What happened? What was going on? Okay, so what I saw today on the 4 hour, we were bullish. We were bullish on the 4 hour. Okay, going into market open. On the hourly, we were bearish, meaning no continuation trades for today. I'm going to be looking for a 5-minute sweep of a key level. Not a 5-minute sweep. A sweep of key level, and then a 5-minute confirmation out of it. A retracement of some sort, and then back up to the upside for that to be viable. Okay, so going into the day, we came down, swept this Asian session low. We did it on S&P pre-market, so I didn't want to count it. So today, to be honest, I was specifically looking at NASDAQ because of the fact that we had not swept this yet before market open, and I wanted to make sure that we swept this and started getting confluences outside of here. Okay, this one right here, this was the closest confluence to get, which was the inverse fair value gap. We inversed the 5-minute fair value gap. After we inversed it, we broke structure back to the downside on this candle, and then broke structure to the upside with this candle right here. Which gave me my execution enter right there. It was very indecisive for basically the entire day. I didn't get out of the trade until like 3:20, 3:15. And this big movement, this very erratic, volatile movement right here, is because of the fact that Israel and Iran had increased their ceasefire and some other things news related. But I don't know what the outcome would have been if this was not put in. My guess is probably a loss, just because of the way that everything was moving. Back into drawdown, things like that. So, but what do I know? It was a win, and I executed. Sorry, I executed my shit the way I needed to. The reason that I thought this could have maybe failed is because of this right here. We could have reacted to this SMT. This is a pretty big SMT here that we could have reacted off of, which we didn't. We kept pushing up. If I would have taken it on S&P, it would have looked something like 5-minute break of structure right here at 9:05. Okay, a break of structure back to the downside right there, and then most likely it would be this right here, because this is the break of structure back to the upside at 9:27. To the retracement here, up to here. This would have been the trade. Like a 1.69 to 1, just about. And it would have smacked in a couple of minutes. But this, oh, sorry, I don't know what I just did. This came first, so on NASDAQ. This came first with the 5-minute inverse fair value gap. That's why I took it. Executed correctly. That's what happened. Now, I don't know how much I made specifically, like the exact amount, but let's check real quick. Okay. Charts. Okay. 686.92 is what I made yesterday. And it just turned midnight. When did I don't know when I bought this. I'm just gonna really quickly move this way because I don't know if this shows anything. Yeah, expires on April 6th. So if I am correct here, well, let's look at the calendar. Okay. It's currently March 25th. So I have 1, 2, technically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to say 8 trading days. And it doesn't look like there's any big news going out. But yeah, 8 trading days, or 8 days to possibly trade. So far, on this account, I've 1 loss, 1 loss, 1 loss, 1. Oh no, sorry. Oh, this is the line. Yeah, 1 loss, 1 loss, 1 loss, 1 1. So I've went what? 5 for 8. Yeah. 5 for 8. What is that? 62% so far. And I think, I don't know what should have happened or whatever. I don't know, to be honest. But yeah, we'll see how everything goes. I'm not going to think about anything. I'm just going to execute how I'm supposed to execute tomorrow. I don't even want to put any pressure onto it. I just want to do it correctly. So, if I get a trade tomorrow, I get a trade tomorrow. If I don't, I don't. It's whatever. It's not that big of a deal. Things happen. But I love and appreciate y'all. I'm going to keep doing my thing. I hope y'all keep doing yours. Keep your head high. Don't let, small things bother you because you don't know when the big things can affect your life. So that's what I'll say for the day. I really love and appreciate y'all. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.